Okay, so welcome to this week's market review and expectation. So we've had a successful week. It was the beginning of the new month, August, and as such, NFP. So, with we had the NFP, and the week has been good. So let's talk about what happened from the first to fifth. Okay, and what I'm looking out to see in price in the coming week. That is from um, 8 to 12 of August. All right. So as usual, this is the dollar index on the left hand side. All right. And then on the right hand side, the USD both on the daily charts. All right. So the week opened on this particular candle right here, which is the Sunday's open, and you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then Friday. So these 5 days are what we're talking about. Okay, so in the previous video, let me maximize this. In the previous video, I was talking about the fact that I was expecting some um, reaction around this area. That's at the high of this particular candle, but price on Monday dropped much lower, closing in this daily fair value gap. And in the video, I was also expecting these highs to be reached after we've had that reaction from that particular end. Okay, I was expecting this high as a next draw on liquidity to be targeted for the week, and we actually didn't get that. We didn't get that. All right, but price was actually good, and we've had about green days or positive or bullish days, about 3 bullish days in the week, which is good. And yeah, it's been good. So what am I expecting in the coming week? The coming week, as I always do, I'm expecting I'm still expecting the dollar index to reach into this particular high right here. Okay, the high comes in at 107.405. So somewhere around 107.400 somewhere here. Okay, so that's my next target for the coming week. Where prices currently, I'm not expecting price to reach into these lows right here. Again, should price drop down into these lows, then it's most likely we are going to target this particular low, and then probably here, and you can work into this a little bit this area, and then maybe right here. But as it stands right now, I'm looking forward for these highs to be reached in the coming week. That's from 8 to the 12th of August. I'm looking forward for these highs to be reached, and then this low, then this high, okay, that area right there to be reached in the coming week. Okay, so that's my expectation for the dollar index, and then as usual, let's take a look at the USD, what the USD was doing. Okay, so as the dollar index was closing in this particular fair value gap on Monday, this Monday's candle, right? Monday's candle was just reaching into the low end of that same fair value gap that the USD created. Right, all right. Now, in the normal circumstance, we should be seeing the euro reach into somewhere right here, also closing in this gap right there, but the euro is being distributed highly. Okay, so that's what actually happened in the euro, and on Tuesday we dropped, and then Wednesday we dropped, and then Thursday we had ability to pull up and FOMC, sorry, NFP. Friday, this particular candle will drop below this low. So just as usual, the next draw on liquidity is right here for me for the coming week. Okay, when after taking out that particular low, looking out for these areas and this particular highs to be reaching, and then ultimately this area. So that is it. As my expectation for the dollar index and then the USD. All right. So let's see what the price has to offer us in the coming week. Thank you for watching.